Today we're going to plant some nasturtiums. We're growing them from seed, and as you can see from the seed packet, nasturtiums are very colourful flowers and they have very large seeds, and I've laid some out on the trowel there. You can see that they're quite easy to handle. It makes them a really good beginner's plant. I'm going to plant today in a large pot. You can plant them directly into the ground in your garden, but I'm planting them in a pot today so that I can put them perhaps on my front step or the back step. Before I filled my pot with compost, I made sure that I'd added crocks to the bottom of the pot. Now I've got a flower pot here, and you can see the large drainage holes in the bottom. You see the blue tarp through the holes. The crocks, which are either pieces of broken pot or some stones, are put in. They cover up the holes, or at least some of the holes, and what they're there for is to stop all of the soil and compost blocking the holes so that water can't escape. Watering your plants is really important, but making sure that the water can escape is just as important. So to plant your nasturtium seeds, you need to make holes about 1 centimetre deep, and it just so happens that my fingernail and my pointing finger is about 1 centimetre long. So if I poke my finger into the compost and then just drop the seed in, cover it over, and then if I were to water that, it'll be all set. Now I'm going to add about 10 seeds altogether to this pot. It's around about 20 centimetres across, so 10 seeds is a lot for one pot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye on how these plants are growing. I'm going to leave the strongest plants to keep growing, but any plants that don't look quite so strong I will pull out and maybe plant them somewhere else in the garden or put them in a compost heap. So in about 10 weeks I expect to have lots of these beautiful flowers. They will attract pollinators to the garden, so things like bumblebees and butterflies, and look very pretty, but they're also edible. That means we can eat them. We can harvest the flowers just a few at a time and add them to a salad, and they give a nice peppery taste.